All right, I'm Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about the job market. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about Atlanta, but I'm sure in a lot of areas it will still apply. The job market in Atlanta is gone insane. Shops are desperate for technicians. I know there'll be people complaining about, yada, yada, yada. You're in this industry, you want to make the most money you can. So let's talk about what I've seen so far in the Atlanta market. No, I'm not looking for a job, but ads, stuff on LinkedIn, Eric's gotten called from recruiters offering insane amounts of money. I mean crazy amounts of money, up to, quotations, $50 an hour. That is insane amount of money for technicians, and that is insane amounts of money for hours, obviously flat rate, but, and I'm not saying those shops are busy enough to support a technician that would actually, make it worth their while to jump ship. I'm saying that now is a great time if you're wanting to find a job. It's a great time to look around because shops are offering really, really good money for technicians. I can't speak from personal experience of what they're actually paying, but I mean, they're advertising stupid amounts of money. So, I want to know what the community says. What is going on in your area? Are shops doing the same thing? Competitive pay. That was sarcasm. If a shop's not willing to put what they pay in an ad, at least a range. I always love to see when they're advertising for an A-Tech and they go, oh yeah, you can make up to $50,000 a year. Next. But it is crazy. I mean, I've got friends in the Atlanta area that have been contacted by, recruiters offering stupid amounts of money. Craig's old Firestone has been trying to get him to go back. And obviously that's not happening. But it's a great time to be looking for a job as a technician. Because, well, there's a lot of opportunity out there, and if your shop's not treating you well, there's a lot of people looking, offering a lot of money apparently, and it's just a really good time to be looking for a job because if all those shops are looking for techs, you get to be picky, real picky, and you can figure out exactly where the next place you're going to go work is, that it's right for you, and it's a good place to work. And they might pay you a buttload of money to be there. So let me know in the comments what you're seeing in your area. I know regionality is very different. And and again, I can't speak to personal experience of what they're actually offering because I haven't tried to apply. But as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.